Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today we are going to see some vocabulary words. Before we are going to see the vocabulary words, I request everyone to subscribe the channel and click the bell button to follow you. Today quotes is language are used for communication and vocabularies are used to make that communication as perfect. Yes, the vocabulary only the make that communication is perfect. So learn vocabularies lot and make a very good communication and improve your language. Today we'll see the words. First word is first word is adamant.
Adamant.
Adamant. Adamant means refuse to persuade or to change one's mind.
Adamant.
So in Tamil we can say pidivadam. So adamant is a word where we can use is someone is not changing the mind to changing one's mind. If you're trying to change someone but he is very stubborn in one particular thing means that times that is adamant actually. So the first word is
Adamant. Adamant.
adamant. Second word is
Adapt.
adapt. What is adapt in Tamil? Adapt. So in Tamil,
பொருந்தச்
பொருந்தச்சை. That is adapt is a what is the meaning of that is make suitable for the new use or purpose. Some things you are making as suitable for you, a new one which is making to suitable for you, that is adapt. That is you are adapting to the new, you are making new things to be suitable for you, that is called adapt. And the third vocabulary is
Adaptable.
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 So now you can able just I'm telling the difference between the adapt and adaptable. Adapt is something is coming newly and you trying to suitable for you.
Adaptable.
Adaptable is just adjusting of yourself of for the new condition. In Tamil, we can say
செய்தக்க.
செய்தக்க or
மாற்றமைவு செய்தக்க.
மாற்றம் அமைவு செய்தக்க. So otherwise we can tell us
இணங்கத்தக்க.
inangathakka. So the it's like a surrounding of what it's is there, like that you are adjusting yourself. So next vocabulary is
Addendum. Addendum. Addendum.
addendum. What is mean by addendum?
Addendum.
An item of additional matter added at the end of the book or other published. Some things which you are adding at last, at final, when something is going to be complete at last moment you are adding something in some book or some lines means that is mean by addendum.
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 In Tamil we can say
பின்னிணைப்பு. பின்னிணைப்பு.
pin இணைப்பு. Pin இணைப்பு. It means some things we are joining in last. That is called
Addendum.
addendum. So next word is
Adept. Adept.
adapt.
Adept. Adept.
Adapt. So it's it's meaning of very skill or professional of something. Someone who is very good in the skill and is something special in their area. That person you can tell as
Adept. Adept.
adapt. So in Tamil we can say
திறமையானவை. திறமையானவை.
திறமையானவை. திறமையானவை. So it means someone is having a very good knowledge and professionalist of that. That we call as.
Adept.
So next word of the vocabulary is
Adhere. Adhere.
adhere. Adhere.
Adhere.
A stick fast to. That is uh, believing in the follow or following the practice. Some things we can say adhere means stick with that rule. We need to adhere the public rule or traffic rules. So when someone is sticking with something, that is called
Adhere.
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 In Tamil we can say
கடைபிடிக்கின்றன.
some things we were following. That is called adhere.
Adhere.
You can say adhere with this traffic rules, adhere with below steps, adhere with policies. So some things which you need to be undergo and we need to be follow. That is that we can say is
Adhere.
adhere. So next vocabulary is
Adherent. Adherent. Adherent.
so next is adherent.
Adherent. Adherent.
Someone who support a particular party, person or set of ideas. So
Adherent.
someone who is supporting you. For example, if you are doing some work and someone is doing support, that you can say
Adherent.
adherent,
Adherent.
adherent, adherent.
Adherent. Adherent.
In Tamil, we can say
ஆதரவளிப்பவர். ஆதரவளிப்பவர். ஆதரவளிப்பவர்.
ஆதரவு அளிப்பவர், ஆதரவு அளிப்பவர். So something which is used to use giving supporting something. So that is how it. So now next vocabulary word is
Adieu. Adieu.
adieu. Adieu.
Adieu. Adieu. Adieu.
Adieu. Adieu. It means goodbye. We can use this adieu for the send off. You are telling something goodbye. It's a when someone is was leaving from organization, they can you can send an email adieu email. That is goodbye to everyone, telling thank you and goodbye, telling goodbye. That is called adieu.
Adieu.
So in Tamil we can say
விடை பெற்றுச். விடை பெற்றுச்.
Viray Petrach. Some things we are telling goodbye. So next vocabulary is
Adipose. Adipose.
adipose. Adipose. So
Adipose.
Used for storing of fat. That is, we can say especially body tissues. Some things which you are storing the fats. That is called
adipose,
adipose.
adipose,
In Tamil, we can say
கொழுப்பு, கொழுப்பு, கொழுப்பு,
kolpu. That is a fat. In Tamil, we can say kolpu means it's a fat. So, some things which are storing the fat. That is called, that we can consider
adipose,
adipose.
adipose,
Adipose. So, last and final vocabulary word,
adjacent,
adjacent. What is meant by
adjacent,
adjacent?
adjacent,
Adjacent.
adjacent, adjacent,
Next to and adjoining something else. Next, just you can say adjacent. Adjacent is staying adjacent to me. That is next to me. So something which is next, adjacent. Something we want to tell next, you can use this vocabulary as adjacent. In Tamil, we can say as
அடுத்தடுத்த,
அடுத்தடுத்த.
அடுத்தடுத்த,
அடுத்தடுத்த. So next. That is, we can use this.
adjacent, adjacent, adjacent.
So adjacent. So hope today vocabulary is very useful for you, and I request everyone to practice on daily basis in your communications. It's not a thing that you need to be make a sentence with this vocabularies. When you having communication with someone, if wherever the appropriate vocabulary is can use, we can use there these vocabularies, so that only you can able to remember the vocabulary words to when you're using the vocabularies in daily life. That will make you to remember more and more vocabulary words. So thank you for watching the videos. Once again, I request everyone to subscribe the channel and click the bell button to follow you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.